Imagine having a superpower that lets you organize your thoughts, connect ideas, and remember everything that matters in your life. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But with Obsidian, a cutting-edge knowledge management tool, you can turn this fantasy into a reality. Obsidian is the go-to choice for high achievers, researchers, and creatives who want to unlock their full potential. Obsidian is built on top of the popular note-taking app, Markdown, and the powerful knowledge graph database, Graphical. This unique combination allows you to create a network of interconnected ideas, making it easy to explore, analyze, and create new insights. With Obsidian, you can link notes, create maps, and visualize your thoughts in a way that's both intuitive and powerful. To get started with Obsidian, you'll need to set up a new vault, which is essentially a digital container for all your notes, ideas, and research. To do this, download the Obsidian app from their official website and follow these simple steps.